In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. Now scroll down to access battery section. Battery and device care. Finally, tap on battery at the top, scroll all the way down, and choose more battery settings. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to fast charging to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!